5 amazing facts about India. Fact number 1. Do you know that the cows are considered sacred? If hamburgers are a regular part of your diet, you'll need to make some adjustment before visiting India. Cows are protected by their own set of rules in the constitution, making killing a cow is a Fact number 2. Do you know that the name India is derived from the river Indus? The valleys around which were the home of the early settlers, the Aryan worshippers refer to the river Indus as the Sindhu. Fact number 3. Do you know that the world's first granite temple is the Brihadeshwara temple at Tanjavur, Tamil Nadu? The shikhara of the temple is made from a single 80-ton piece of granite. This magnificent temple was built in just 5 years, between 1004 AD and 1009 AD during the region of Rajara Chola. Fact number 4. Do you know when many cultures were only nomadic forest dwellers over 5000 years ago, Indian established Harappan culture in Sindhu Valley, Indus Valley civilization. Fact number 5. Do you know the place value system and the decimal system were developed in India in 100 BC? If you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel, and a happy Independence Day.